Hi everyone, my name is Roy. I'm going to explain how to use iLook sample tab. First of all, if you don't know what's iLook, iLook is a sidebar for Office applications. This is iLook. You can minimize it, you can maximize it, you can go to the iLook ribbon and make it disappear or reappear. iLook tab can connect the user to different type of information using different types of user interfaces. For example, there's the iLook search. You can search for content types, calendar, email, contact, folder, and etc. And you can go to a different tab, for example phone book, and search for contacts from your Active Directory or your Outlook contacts or the Exchange. So this is iLook. Let's go ahead and download the iLook sample tab. Let's go to www.ilookmail.com and in the site go to the developer tab, click on the Visual Studio tab sample and download this file onto our desktop. Let's save it to our desktop. Just save it. It takes exactly 1 second. It's a zip file, so we need to open it and extract it onto our desktop. Let's select this folder and drag and drop it onto our desktop. Let's locate the SLN file, which is the solution file for the project. This is the solution file. Double click it and open Visual Studio 2010. Ignore this method, that's fine. So this is the solution for the iLook sample tab. It consists of a project, one project, myworld.ilook.navbuttons.custom tab. You can change that name to the name of the company, the name of your company, .ilook.navbutton because it's not a control, and the name of your tab. Any iLook tab consists of 3 main references. There's the myworld.ilook, which is the main reference. It's the core library of iLook. The myworld.ilook.controls, those are all of iLook controls, the navigation bar, the progress bar, the charts, just about everything. myworld.ilook.controls.buttons is the design buttons that we designed for iLook, those buttons. So those are the 3 references. In this project you'll be able to find 3 objects, 1 form and 2 user controls. So let's focus on the FRM settings form. It has 1 settings element, and the main job of this form is to save and display the settings of your tab. Let's review the code. This form inherits from myworld.ilook.controls.forms.settings form and has 2 main functions. One function is settings approve, which occurs when the user approved the setting, and the other is setting cancel, occurs when the user cancelled the settings. So this is the FRM settings form. Let's focus on the custom tab button and review the code. This is the code for the custom tab button. You can change the name if you'd like. But it inherits from the myworld, iLook, controls, Outlook nav, navigate bar button, and has 1 constructor function, this one, with 5 properties. Related control, the control that relates to this button, which is this control here, custom tab control, the other user control. There's image, as you can see here, this is the image of the tab. Caption, which is the name of the tab, iLook search, iLook search. Caption description, description is just under the caption. And tooltip. Let's go to and focus on the custom tab control. Custom tab control has 3 labels and 1 button. Let's double click on the button and see what it does. It pops up a dialog box with whatever we set on the tab. Doesn't inherit anything special about the user control, which is a system.windows.forms.user control, not an iLook special control, the only one. All we have to do now is simply pack the project and install it into our iLook.